Thank you to Spring and Vine for sponsoring this video. I have been dying to share this product with you. I'm so excited for you to see. Hello my loves, and welcome back to a new video. It's the perfect way to start us off. I think we could all use a collective, relaxing glass of wine right now. But if you're brand new to my channel, please like and subscribe this video if you're interested in skincare, hair care, beauty, all things sustainability and non-toxic goodness. Today's video is going to be fantastic if you've ever wondered about switching to a shampoo bar, something that's more sustainable and wonderful for your hair and the environment. This is the perfect video for you. And if you didn't notice, I am not in my home. I am somewhere much more fabulous. I booked a night at a hotel so I could just create wonderful content for you in a beautiful setting, and I've done this before. It's just really fun to get a little creative inspiration from somewhere new. And don't worry, it's completely safe. This hotel is taking every precaution imaginable. Everyone's wearing masks. It is fine, and I'm just in the room anyways, but I just wanted to show you how to use a shampoo bar, why I've decided to completely switch from traditional shampoo to a product that I'm really excited to teach you about. Even tell you how excited I am to film in a beautiful white clean bathroom. Every single detail is so immaculate from this, I don't know if we call this travertine, whatever this is, all of the brass, the cute little baskets, everything is just so spacious and beautiful. Nothing like my bathroom at home. I don't know if you feel me on that one, but quarantine has made me realize that we need to get the heck out of our house. If you've seen previous videos, you know we are currently house hunting, so just fingers crossed things happen sooner rather than later, but I will be so happy when I have a long-term place to film for you that is beautiful and crisp and clean. But you know what? There are bigger things going on in the world right now, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna film this video for you in this stunning place, and we are gonna have a great time. So here's the sustainability tea about shampoo bars. They use so much less plastic than your typical bottled shampoo that you might have in your bathroom right now. This bar particularly uses 95% less plastic than its bottled counterparts. And when you think about every single human that's using shampoo, that really adds up over time. So this is truly a little step you can make towards being more sustainable. So out of all the Spring and Vine shampoo bars, I personally like the grapefruit and rosemary because it's volumizing. And just to give you a little info about my hair, so I have dry, fine, pretty thin hair that needs all of the moisture and volume it can get. I try not to wash my hair too much. I wash my hair maybe once or twice a week, and it's definitely time for a wash now. So let's do it. And the first step of using a shampoo bar is to fully saturate your hair with water just like any other shampoo. And yes, I do want this rainforest shower head in my life. It was truly amazing. Then you're going to want to grab the shampoo bar and work up a nice lather between your hands and start to massage your scalp, your hair, the ends of your hair, just all around to make sure that you're fully cleansing your hair and getting those suds in there. I'm just amazed by how many uses I've gotten out of these bars so far. I swear it sudses and sudses and sudses, and the bar barely gets any smaller. Definitely a hot tip to have this in your shower in like a little container. You see I have a little olive wood soap holder, or maybe even a waterproof soap holder, because if you're showering and the water's getting all over the bar, it's, you know, slowly making it disappear without you getting to use it and enjoy it. So that's a hot tip. then you really want to make sure that after you're done sudsing, massaging, cleansing, that you rinse this product out really well, because it has essential oils and shea butter and really hydrating, wonderful ingredients. You want to make sure you rinse it all out. And especially for someone like me with kind of limp, fine, problematic hair, you don't want to leave any residue. Now that I'm so fresh and so clean, I'm gonna enjoy tacos in bed and watch some shitty girly TV that Nate would never want to watch. And it's gonna be marvelous! Nothing like a hotel room Nespresso. Oh, it just reminds me of when we were in Italy for our honeymoon. Although, when we were in Italy for our honeymoon, we were just drinking Nespresso. We weren't drinking really fancy Italian cappuccinos. We were just pushing the small button on the Nespresso in the hotel room. So it always reminds me of that. But last night I had a wonderful Real Housewives of New York marathon. I mean, Nate doesn't watch those shows, and the fact that I hadn't been keeping up with the season and there were 4 episodes just back to back to back, all the ones that I hadn't seen, was just the gods telling me to watch Real Housewives of New York. And woke up with kind of crazy hair because I should have blow dried it and styled it before I went to bed, or at least blow dried it. But I got volume, no joke. So if you want to try the Spring and Vine shampoo bars, the description is in my profile. I also have a whole blog post about more sustainable items you can use in your beauty routine. And with that, I'm gonna let you loves go. I'm gonna enjoy my little Nespresso and do some editing, to be honest. But I will see you next week. Thank you so much for sticking along. If you stayed this long, you are an absolute champion. I appreciate every minute that you watch, and I love you so much.